Hey y'all, it's Nerd Dad, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can build your own gaming computer for less than 600 bucks.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So, everybody's been asking me all day, every day about new computers and what parts are going to be the best. So, if you are wanting to build a PC on a budget to play AAA games at some really good settings and get high FPS values, well, this is the build to do it. This build is going to be centered around the RX 580. So we went ahead and went with a GPU that's a couple generations old, but you can still buy new in box on shelves at most retailers for a really good price. Along with that, we're going to be using a Ryzen 5 3600, 16 gigs DDR4, 3200 megahertz speed RAM. We got an SSD and a regular hard drive, so you can store all those massive games. Because I mean, Warzone's like 100 gigs by itself. So, top that off, we were able to get it all in a Lian Li 205 case. And how was I able to do this all for under 600 bucks? Well, I'll show you right now. Let's jump into some B-roll. Alright, now that we've got this thing built, we're going to go ahead and get some benchmarks done. We're going to check out Fortnite, Modern Warfare, and Shadow of the Tomb Raider. Another thing that you can do with a PC like this is to monitor your cryptocurrency, which brings me to today's video sponsor, Coinbase. Coinbase makes it easy for you to take those old traditional fiat dollars and turn them into the new cryptocurrency that right now is doing extremely well across all fronts. You can use it to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and most of the major cryptocurrencies out there. Now, it's not like when you first got into cryptocurrencies and you had to have a separate wallet and things were super complicated. Coinbase makes it really easy. Within 5 clicks, you can convert those dollars into something that you can know and trust. Use my link in the description below. You'll get $10 for every $100 that you deposit in your Coinbase account today. Now, let's jump into some of those benchmarks. Now, it's awesome to be able to get a PC like this that's going to give you this kind of performance for less than 600 bucks. But the bigger picture is that you can have an incredible gaming experience for less than 1,000 bucks. Pair it with a 144 hertz per monitor for less than 200 bucks. Get some awesome gaming peripherals, and you can have a awesome experience for less than $1,000. So for everybody out there that says PC gaming's too expensive, well, show them this video. And if you liked what you see, make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to see more content like this in the future. If you want to see me do these benchmarks in person, well, come check out my live stream on Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays, 9 p.m. Central Time. And as always, I'll see you on the other side.